Namaste. Today we are going to make one of the most popular, one of the tastiest dishes of India. It's called Bhelpuri. It's a street food, and if you have a vote to vote the best street food in India, this will win hands down. Now there are two reasons why this is popular all throughout the country. Number one, it's super tasty, fresh and nutritious. And number two, it takes 30 minutes to prep, but it only takes 30 seconds to actually make the dish. And I'm not even exaggerating. I'm going to show you how. Now let's look at the ingredients. So I have about 4 boiled potatoes. I'm making this for 4 people. So 4 boiled potatoes, and this is a spicy topping that's available in the Indian stores. This is called Sev, S-E-V. And then I have 1 big carrot grated. I have 2 tomatoes. I have 2 onions, 1 cucumber, half a bunch of cilantro, and then this is the base. This is rice puffs. Puffed rice, this is available only in the Indian stores, but there is a super easy alternative to that. This is just our good old rice krispies. They work just as fine. And these are the 2 chutneys. This is the spicy chutney. This is the cilantro mint chutney. And this is the sweet one. This is date tamarind chutney. And this is the topping. It's chat masala. Chat as we chat. C-H-A-T masala. And just a sprinkle of salt. That's all we need. Now, let's see how this can be put together in about 30 seconds. So let me use Rice Krispies. So Rice Krispies. I'm going to make just 1 serving. Okay, a little bit of potatoes, a bit of tomatoes, some carrots, onions, cucumber, cilantro. I'm just going to add the pinch of salt now and give it a good mix. Actually, it looks like we have more than 1 serving. As you can see how colorful it is, it's almost done. Now all I need is a pinch of this chaat masala, a pinch or 2. You can actually hear the Rice Krispies crackle, and a couple of spoons of sweet chutney, a couple of spoons of, or more than a couple, of the spicy chutney, and it's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and plate this for you. We have 2 servings here, so I'm going to plate it, and then we will this is a serving. And we top with this one and a little bit of cilantro. There you go. Bhelpuri ready. I hope you also make and enjoy this. Thank you.